Hi, I'm Mike and this is the Balloon Channel. Today I'm making a balloon teddy bear. So, to make our balloon teddy, what you'll need is a 260. I've chosen brown. And we're going to inflate 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. Let a bit of air out, and then we're going to tie it off. What we're going to do is make a 2-finger bubble and twist it off. And then what we're going to do is take the nozzle and wrap it in so we get a pinch twist. And then what I like to do is do another 1-finger bubble and once again to another one. So we have like this. And what you'll need is 5 2-finger bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with this, you're going to take the small bubble and twist it into the end here. So we have a little circle of bubbles here, and with this end, we're going to pass it through. So it kind of looks like a little flower. Now, with making the ears, you're going to take this and we're going to do a pinch twist or an ear twist. So you grab and you twist, and as you can see, it's now made an ear. We're going to do the same on the other side. And there we have our teddy bear's head. And then what I like to do then is move down about 4 fingers to make the body, and then I'll do a 3-finger bubble, another 3-finger bubble, and then we're going to twist this into the head, and then we're going to make sure they're the same. So there's the arms the same, the legs the same. And this will wrap down his body underneath. Now, we're going to get rid of the tail. So, I'm just going to break it off. You can have a cut with some scissors. Let the air out. And then I'm going to tie it off. Nice and tight. And just cut off the excess, and there we have our balloon teddy. And then you can do a bit of artwork with some eyes, nose, mouth, and there we have our balloon teddy bear. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment below, and click here for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more Balloon Channel content.